One of the best parts of being alive is being social. According to research into what are known as the world's blue zones, areas where individuals have a much greater chance of living to 100 years old than other places in the world, living in an extended social network is one of the most important factors for longevity. In all of the areas where these centenarians live in greater numbers, kinship bonds appear to play a very important role. And it makes sense, doesn't it? If we had to do everything for ourselves to survive, we could. But not only would that not be very much fun, it would also be pretty stressful. Creating deep social bonds allows us to connect with the resources of others. Material resources, yes, but also the emotional and psychological reflection and support that only other people can provide us. Without a connection to others, we'd have a very hard time living our best lives. They help to motivate us when we're clear, and they correct us when things are out of focus. But modern life can make it challenging to maintain our closest relationships. Our lives are busy and fragmented, and our coworkers, our friends, and our neighbors are often completely different communities, making the face-to-face time we spend with the most important people difficult to come by. Between long work hours, commutes, and family commitments, spare time can slip away, and connecting with them can start to feel kind of optional. And sometimes it's only when we're missing it that we realize how important those connections were to rounding everything out, to giving us perspective, or to simply feeling connected to the world and to ourselves. And even worse, as time passes, it can even start to feel awkward, and we can start to make up reasons why we shouldn't reach out. But old friends aren't easily replaceable. Sure, you can always meet new people, but friendships are like wine. They deepen and become more complex with age. The people who have known you the longest are the people who can offer you the deepest reflection into your own life. Connecting with people you've known in the past can also remind you that you have a history, that your life is more than what is happening right now, that it's rich and complex, and that there's so much to be thankful for. And by reconnecting, you can remind yourself of what you've learned, and what you've been through, and who you are. At the beginning of the week, make a list of people you've lost touch with who are that they respond immediately to complete this practice. You don't have to have a conversation with them the same day. But we encourage you to take the brakes off and make an effort to make a real connection as soon as possible. But your reaching out to them is the purpose of this practice. And that is Lost and Found.